Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular session, what I'll be showing you is that how do you get online courses for free from US Food and Drug Administration. Okay, so this is very useful for any people who are studying medicine or anything related to science and food technology kind of thing. So let's see. So all you need to do is that basically you can just Google as well. Okay, I'll just show it to you. Just Google FDA, right? You could just Google FDA, right? And then after that, see the first thingy that pops up, the website that pops up. You can just click in that, and then you'll be redirected towards this kind of website, right? And then all you need to do is that click on menu, go to where is training and continuing education. Yep, it's over here, right? Topics, and then go under training and continuing education. So they have different kind of thingy offered by them, courses offered by them, right? So just click on it, and then as you can see, so there is clinical investigator training course, and then FDA continuing education, right? There is different webinars and all. So free online courses for local state travel regulatory partners, and also for healthcare professionals, consumers, and academia. So this is where we want to go. Okay, CDER learn. So if you click on that, you will be redirected towards this kind of website. Okay, so here you can do different kind of education based on case studies or continuing education, or for healthcare professional industry courses and all as well, right? So but for this particular session, we'll just be doing general courses, and after this you will be basically directed towards over here. Okay, and then you can read through it as well. And then if you look over here, this education program is designed to help consumers from adolescents to adulthood understand and use the drug facts label to choose over the counter medicine and use them safely. Okay, so it's about drug facts and all. So whether you should use OTC, over the counter medications, or not, and then how does FDA regulated everything. Okay, so you could go to student guide, instructor guide. You don't need instructor guide for sure, right? You are not teaching it, so student guide will be a bit ample resources for you all to have a look through it, and then it's like very interactive as well. Okay, so that's one thing. Another thing that we can do is just go to CDER world, and if you go inside it, you will be redirected towards this kind of new window. And then over here, what you can do is FDA human drug review and approval basics. So you could do this particular courses, right? World of compliance, world of generic drugs, world of new drug, world of drug safety. All these things can be done. So I'll just do the first one. Okay, so just a basic review of how human drugs go through different stages of approval and review. How is it done by FDA, right? The United States, the food regulator. How do they do it? The drug regulator over there. So I'll just click on that, and then you'll be redirected towards this kind of website. And then the first course, the thing that we want to do is Introduction to FDA Human Drug Review and Approval Basics, right? So click on it, and then you can click on the begin icon. Okay, click on the begin icon, and then after that, have a look at this, read through it, read through all the different sections. So after you've done it, so just click on next. You will be redirected to introduction section, right? So what is all these things? So you can read through it as well. So I have already done it, so I'm not going to waste my time in it. So it'll just take a lot of time as well, right? So you can just read through everything, what are they, and then you can also read through. So there is different pages as well. Okay, so within this FDA regulator authority, look at the pages. 3 out of 5 has been done, right? So if you go through, 4 out of 5 is done, so 5 out of 5 is done. So now we will move on to prescription drug development and approval process. So how is it done, right? So there are 15 topics in this. So again, click on next, and just finish everything, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? And then this is also over-the-counter drug development. All these things is there, so you can go through them as well. And then knowledge check is like you have to answer all of this. So the first question, the answer is true for sure because it's composed of 7 centers and all. I've already done this. So regulates dietary supplement, and that is false. And then the prescription drug development process begins with the what type of research? Preclinical. That's the research, okay. And then are defined as being safe and agreed for use by general nursing treatment by that is true. Complete response letter describes what absolute approval complete yep, it's absolute approval, right? Okay, so all these are answers, and then all you need to do is click on the grade icon. Okay, so if you click on the grade icon, it will be done. Okay, so that was not the correct answer. Absolute approval, it just means important deficiencies and all. So after you have done that, you can go to FAQs and then click on next over here as well. Next, go through it. After all this thing is done, you can see that your course is completed, right? So now what you can do is that, so name to be displayed on the certificate, right? So what do you want your name on the certificate to be? So you can write in any kind of names. Okay, so I will also write some names. Whose names should I write? I don't need a certificate, right? CH. All right, and then just click on save name. Okay, just click on save name, and then your certificate is basically ready. So if you click over here, you will receive your certificate as such. Okay, so yeah, this is how we basically do any course related to FDA, and also you can do other courses as well. So there are a lot of courses for health professionals, especially for health related kind of things. So who are in food technology and all, it will be very helpful to have a good uh, certificate about the basic approval process of how a human drug is being developed, right? So that's it for this particular video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Till next time, bye bye.